through the Equal Power, Equal Voice programme, I'm mentoring a fantastic campaigner from my region, Becky Smart, from Coitra Hambridge End. Becky has organised an event I'm sponsoring at the Pierhead building next month to raise awareness about premenstrual disorders. And she is also a long-standing campaigner on epilepsy, a condition she herself lives with. The point of the Equal Power, Equal Voice programme is to break down barriers to democratic participation and increase diversity of representation. The Senedd Estate itself, therefore, must play its part if the Commission supports these aims. Becky has photosensitive epilepsy, which means she can experience seizures triggered by flickering or flashing lights. To ensure equality of access to buildings for people like Becky, LED panel lights need to be used in buildings like the Senedd, as opposed to other forms of lighting whose flicker can also cause problems to some autistic people and migraine sufferers. The Senedd Commission could also help by ensuring any defective lighting be switched off as soon as a fault is noted to ensure the continued health of susceptible visiting public, and replaced as soon as possible, and also that all videos created or funded by the Senedd Commission don't contain flashing images. So will the Senedd Commission commit to implementing these steps and engage with epilepsy campaigners like Becky to see what additional measures can be taken to make the Senedd Estate more inclusive?